Close your eyes, and for the next few minutes, there is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to accomplish, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to figure out, just nothing. Let yourself feel what it is like to not have to do anything. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. You don't have to make the breath deeper. You don't have to breathe perfect. Just let your body breathe. And for a moment, stop asking yourself what comes next. No next task. No next decision. No next person to take care of. No next thing to achieve. Just this moment. Take another breath. And if you've been holding yourself together for a very long time, you can let yourself loosen here. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face soften. Let your hands become heavy. Let the surface underneath you hold you. You don't have to hold yourself up so tightly anymore. Just for this few moments, you can put everything down. Your responsibilities, your expectations, the pressure, the mental list, the things you haven't finished, the things you think you should have done differently. You don't have to solve any of it. Let it be unfinished. Let it be unanswered. Let it be unknown. You don't need to fill the space. Just notice the emptiness, the quiet, the space between one thought and the next. Stay here. You might notice your mind trying to bring something back. Another task, another problem, another what if. And that's okay. You don't have to follow it. Let the thought pass and come back to this feeling of nothing to do, nothing to prove, nothing to carry. Take a slow breath and notice something important. You're still here, even without doing anything, even without solving anything, even without being productive. You're still here. You're still you. You don't disappear when you stop performing. You don't become less worthy when you rest. You don't have to be useful every minute to deserve your life and own your life. Take another breath and let yourself be completely unavailable for just a little while. No one needs an answer from you here. No one needs anything from you here. There is no decision to make, and there is nothing you need to become. Just breathe. Just be. And when you feel ready, ask yourself one very gentle question. What do I want? Not what should I do? Not what does everyone else need? Not what would be the most productive choice? Just what do I want? And you don't need an answer immediately. Just sit with the question. Maybe the answer is rest. Maybe it's silence. Maybe it's a glass of water. Maybe it's going out. Maybe it's doing absolutely nothing. And there is no wrong answer. Because for once, You get to choose, not from the pressure, not from the guilt, not from the fear, from yourself. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Feel the space you have created. You don't have to rush to fill it. You can stay here for a little longer. And when you open your eyes, take your time. There is no race. There is no emergency. There is no version of you that needs to show up right now. You can simply be. And then, when you're ready, you can choose one small thing, one gentle thing, one thing that feels like you. Take one final breath. And remember, you don't have to do everything today. You don't even have to do anything right now. You're allowed to simply exist. And let that be enough.